lovely people, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been hanging around for a while. I am super excited for today's video, which is because I am a huge fan of anything fantasy, Lord of the Rings, Hobbit, and anything crafty and tiny and finicky. And the inspiration to make today's video came from Rachel Maksy as well as the Nerdforge, who both have videos on book nooks. Now, Rachel made one which was more like adventure-y, Indiana Jonesy kind of Uncharted vibe to it, whereas Martina and Hansi over at Nerdforge made one which was Harry Potter, like Diagon Ally, which looks awesome. Rachel, Martina, Hansi, if any of you ever watch this, you guys absolutely rock. But yeah, before I go fangirling so hard, I am going to be making a book nook with one of my favorite locations in movie as well as in the book, which is Fangorn Forest. So without further ado, let's go.
Okay, so this is the original idea for the book nook. This is kind of like an on-top view, how it's going to look like inside. I'm gonna tree, little river, and tree beard. I've seen a few book nooks that have like a mirror on an angle at the back, but we'll see about that. These are the dimensions, like 11 by 18 by 20 centimeters, because I work metric, not imperial. And this is like a rough idea, sketchy thing for Treebeard. We'll see. It might evolve, as it does. But yeah, this is going to take a long time because I'm going to be using air dry clay, and I'm going to do a ton of detailing and stuff. So let's roll the time lapse.
there she is. Did I have to spray paint everything before painting? Probably not. Did I have to go completely over the top in detailing and color blending and little crevices and nooks and crannies, despite nothing of that was going to be visible? Probably not. But I loved it. I loved every second of this. I am super happy, and I'm like, it was so satisfying to have this little sort of like landscape come together. I know the little brook is back there. I know Treebit is back there and standing there having his little sort of like Sleeping Beauty thing going on. Because who knows how long he's been standing there, really. I mean, what's 200 years for a tree? Yeah, I've never ever done anything like this before. We didn't do dioramas or anything in school. So I'm pretty damn happy with how this came out. Am I going to change the lighting situation in there? It is quite dimsy, you can't see a lot. But then again, Fangorn Forest is supposed to be like a bit of a dark and kind of dingy forest that sort of minds its own business. So I'll see about that. But overall, I am pretty damn happy how it came out. It's going to have a lovely little space on my shelf, which incidentally is going to get an overhaul soon, so I'm gonna have to wait with putting it on the shelf, but that's such life. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button below. Maybe even leave a comment if you have any suggestions or anything like to comment. If you want to see more of me making stuff and getting my fingers glued to things, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I upload every 1st and 16th of the month, so the next video is going to be the 16th of August. If you do subscribe, which would be grand, do hit that notification bell, because YouTube seems to have a tendency to just not tell you stuff. But yeah, never mind that. Wherever you are, I hope you have a lovely day, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!